This example, we're going to show how to manually register a sensor model to a controlled image block, or a CIB, which we use as ground truth. Well, in this one we'll do a pan band from a Landsat 7 image with a CIB image. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over here and I'm going to drag in the CIB, and then I'm going to drag in the Landsat pan band HPN FST file, fast format. And then let's go ahead and brighten this image up so we can see it a little bit better. And actually, for swiping purposes, I'm going to brighten it more than what you see on the controlled image block, so you can see the differences in the images when we start swiping. So let's go over here to histogram remapper, brighten this image up so it's a little bit brighter than the one on the left, just so I can show it to you on a swipe, you know which image is which. One on the right is our Landsat, the one on the left is the CIB. And let's first go ahead and put these images together and swipe them. And I'm going to do a vertical swipe. As you can see, when you swipe real fast, you can see the image moves back and forth on underneath the ground truth image. So let's go ahead and move over a little bit where we get some. And sometimes the swipe can't keep up, so if you want to, you can minimize these guys, and I'll make the swipe a lot faster. And you can see the image here move. You see a back and forth jerkiness that occurs when you swipe real fast over top one image and the other. What I'd like to do is show how you can do manual registration. So let's go ahead and bring them back up again. And what we'll do is go and open up the image geometry adjustment on the Landsat image. So we go image geometry adjustment. And you can see here, let's go ahead and just move this up so you can see them move. I have an adjustable parameter interface dialog box that comes up. It allows me to adjust any parameter within the given sensor model. So this is aerial, or an RPC, or in this case a Landsat 7. You have various attributes for the model that have been exposed for you to adjust. So you have roll offset, yaw rate, map rotation, GSD along the line, and sample, and just simple in-track, cross-track shifting. And let's just go ahead and make one shift. And you can see in the images to the left and right that you can really have control over the image model itself by just moving the sliders back and forth. So let's go ahead and reset it. And what we're going to do, since I can get it in the general vicinity, we'll make this 49 for this example. And whoops, not 49, minus 49. And we'll make this about 15. You see now when we swipe, we're aligned with each other. So let me go ahead and close these two dialogues up now, and so we can swipe a little bit faster. You can see now it doesn't shift. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit and do a swipe, and now we have the Landsat image overlaid on top of the CIB, essentially with manual registration. Now on let's bring up the image again. Image geometry adjustments. And you can see here what I'm going to call this is I'm going to go ahead and copy this one. And I'm going to call this adjustment. I'm going to call this registered. And we can change between adjustments. Let's go ahead and reset this one back to its original position. And we can change our adjustments now to adjustments 1 and adjustment 0. That kind of shows you the perturbation between those two adjustment algorithms, and we can swipe them and see the differences between the two. So we have the initial adjustment where you have nothing at all, and you can see that it moves back and forth. If you look at the roads, look at the horizontal swipe. So what we're going to do now is apply, and now they align much more nicely. And that concludes our example of geometry adjustments for manual registration.